An all-clear message from the Orange County government. The buildings that were in ruins have now been rebuilt. Mega Hurricane Ricky has now been dissipated. Residents are free to return to their homes and exit their shelters. It has been reported that on October 15, 2020, the construction crew made a compromise to rebuild this city and all other cities in the southeastern states, and it took 3 months to rebuild all of the buildings. This concludes our message from the emergency alert system. We now return to your regularly scheduled program. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.
Meanwhile, Japanese car maker Toyota has resumed operations at its plant in the Chinese city of Chengdu after halting production due to the outbreak. The firm had planned to reopen the facility earlier this month, but delayed the date as the virus continued to spread throughout the country. Monday's decision came as the factory had secured sufficient workers and ensured its supply chain for components. Chengdu is one of 4 cities in China where Toyota produces vehicles jointly with local manufacturers. Operations resumed last week at the 3 other plants in Guangzhou, Changchun, and Tianjin. But Toyota officials say the plants are running at reduced capacity and that it will be
Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System.
This is an emergency advice. Information of a possible cyclone watch for this country has been received. The current threat level is emergency advice, meaning an emergency is likely. There is insignificant risk of damage. However, residents are urged to seek shelter. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Ensure you have access to a battery-powered radio for updates and instructions on 531 kHz on the AM band. Updates are also available via www.em.gov.au. A cyclone watch is in progress. Targets are estimated as New South Wales. Its cyclone name is Kennedy. Kennedy will make landfall in New South Wales and South Australia within the next minute. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. All mobile and internet connections have been disabled as of now. Please refrain from using these services. Do not go outside. Stay in your home. Emergency centers are now open.
起来跳舞，别再发呆。好帅，好帅，今天的精彩，好帅，好帅，今天的精彩。我们要离开，下次再来，不要忘记那米老鼠。就是我，米奇妙妙屋，再会。
Please stand by for an emergency message from the Ministry of the People's Republic of China. 请等待中华人民共和国部发出紧急消息。Please stand by for an emergency message from the Ministry of the People's Republic of China. 请等待中华人民共和国部发出紧急消息。Please stand by for an emergency message from the Ministry of the People's Republic of China. 请等待中华人民共和国部发出紧急消息。Please stand by for an emergency message from the Ministry of the People's Republic of China. 请等待中华人民共和国部发出紧急消息。Please stand by for an emergency message from the Ministry of the People's Republic of China. 请等待中华人民共和国部发出紧急消息。 Please stand by for an emergency message from the Ministry of the People's Republic of China. 请等待中华人民共和国部发出紧急消息。紧急情况 ，emergency。紧急情况 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 ，emergency。紧急正在立即为以下地区进行疏散：江干、鄞州、鹿城、南湖、武兴、越城、武城、克城、定海、上海，从日期晚上11点20分开始，到日期凌晨3点20分结束。由于台风料的残骸影响上海市和浙江省，上海迪士尼度假区20公里以内的地区已发出10级疏散，立即疏散，请北上至60上海昆明高速公路到湖南省怀化市避风。An evacuation immediate is in progress for the following districts: 江干、鄞州、鹿城、南湖、武兴、越城、武城、克城、定海 and the city of Shanghai, beginning at 11:20 p.m. China Standard Time and ending at 3:20 a.m. China Standard Time. An evacuation level 10 has been issued for areas within 20 kilometers of Shanghai Disney Resort due to the wreckage of Typhoon Liao affecting the city of Shanghai and all of Zhejiang Province. Evacuate immediately. Please evacuate north on G60 Shanghai Kunming Expressway to shelter in Huaihua, Hunan Province.
You're listening to WQAH 105.7 FM. Best Country Hits. Here are some weather updates for the new year, which is 2021. Here, we have a sunny start. Expect dark clouds in the afternoon with showers of rain coming up. Rain chance is 70%. From what I hear is a winter storm watch coming up, and chances are that everyone will get to a safe shelter if it comes to Addison. I have been told that Winter Storm Burris will make landfall in Winston County as soon as we know it. Hold on, I'm receiving a message from the emergency alert system. Please stay tuned and we will get back to you as soon as possible.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 10:35 a.m. this morning to 4:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on next Monday, January 11th. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Affected area, the town of Addison, including Haleyville, Carbon Hill, and Birmingham. Snow accumulations, storm total amounts of 5 to 15 inches are expected through Saturday evening, January 9th. Timing, snow will develop this morning, becoming heavy at times overnight into Monday afternoon. Snow will gradually taper off during Wednesday. Additional heavy snowfall can't be expected in Bibb, Chilton, Autauga, Montgomery, and Crenshaw counties in the central and south-central portions of Alabama, from late Monday night into Wednesday morning, January 13th. Impacts, winter weather conditions will make travel difficult at times, from Tuesday night into Friday evening. Some highways and state routes will be impacted. A winter storm warning means significant accumulations of snow expected or occurring. Driving conditions may be hazardous. Use caution. Keep Winter Storm Survival Kit in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For winter road conditions from the Alabama Department of Transportation, visit https://www.dot.state.al.us. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Winston County Sheriff's Office. An evacuation level 8 has been issued at areas within 50 miles of the Addison Town Hall, due to a very large toxic spill that occurred inside of the hall. The Sheriff's Office wants all residents to evacuate the town of Addison immediately. All residents should leave the town of Addison, and move to a safe shelter via I-10 West ramp to exit 201, signs for Capitol Circle Northeast, and Thomasville Road, in Tallahassee, Florida. An evacuation immediate is in effect for all of Alabama, so residents should leave this state immediately. No re-entry to this state is permitted. This evacuation order is in effect until further notice. Pack food, snacks, clothing, water, medical supplies, electronic devices, and pocket gaming consoles with you when evacuating. Take one vehicle per family if possible. If you have neighbors that do not have an adequate source of transportation, please take them with you. Please stay tuned to this station for further updates.
There you have it, guys. Alabama is not safe at the moment. We ask all residents to evacuate this state immediately. WQAH is now going off air due to a large toxic spill that is spreading across Winston County. We'll be back in a matter of days when this snow pile and toxic spill comes to an end. Thanks for listening, and we will check up on you on the internet.
Fears among investors that the coronavirus epidemic will have a prolonged and serious impact on the global economy have triggered another sell-off in Tokyo. The benchmark index dropped sharply on Thursday to mark 4 straight days of losses, totaling more than 1,500 points. The Nikkei average finished the day at 21,948, down 2.1% from Wednesday. Investors sold shares nearly across the board right from the open. The index extended its losses.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Osceola County in East Central Florida, Seminole County in East Central Florida, Orange County in East Central Florida, until 7:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Yogi Bear Boulevard, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 65 miles per hour wind gusts and $sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Four Corners, Kissimmee, Yeehaw Junction, Orlando, Winter Springs, Castleberry, Winter Park, UCF, and Pine Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Residents outside should move immediately to shelter in a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Osceola County in East Central Florida, Seminole County in East Central Florida, Orange County in East Central Florida, until 7:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? Well, all right, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Miska, Mooska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. Miska, Mooska, Mickey Mouse.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for Osceola County in East Central Florida, Seminole County in East Central Florida, Brevard County in East Central Florida, Orange County in East Central Florida, Polk County in West Central Florida, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 14 miles south of Jacksonville, moving southwest at 130 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for Osceola County in East Central Florida, Seminole County in East Central Florida, Brevard County in East Central Florida, Orange County in East Central Florida, Polk County in West Central Florida, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 14 miles south of Jacksonville, moving southwest at 130 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damages are likely. This tornadic storm will be near Cape Canaveral around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Titusville, Four Corners, River Ranch, Bartow, Lakeland, Kissimmee, Yeehaw Junction, Orlando, Orlo Vista, Union Park, Winter Springs, Sanford, Castleberry, Winter Park, UCF, Pine Hills, and Auburndale. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Avoid windows. If you are outside, in a vehicle, move to a closer substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or confirm a tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now. Repeat, a tornado warning is in effect for Osceola County and East Central Florida, Seminole County and East Central Florida, Brevard County and East Central Florida, Orange County and East Central Florida, Polk County and West Central Florida, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.